how to create or delete an email autoresponder. Log into your cPanel account and you will be on this page. Go to the Email section and click Autoresponders. Click the Add Autoresponder button. In this Autoresponders interface, we can configure automatic email response messages to those who send an email if we are unavailable. Click to open the drop-down menu of Character Set and select an appropriate character set. Enter the time interval you want the autoresponder to wait for before it sends the next message to the same email address on receiving another email from the same address. It means it won't give another response message for emails received within 12 hours from the same email address. Now enter the email address for which it will respond, and then select the domain of the email account. Enter the username in this input box. Enter the subject of the response message. Write the message you want the autoresponder to send. You can start the autoresponder immediately, or you can set a date and time as per your requirement. To set a custom date and time, click the Options button for Custom. From here, you can choose a date and time for autoresponder to start. If you want to stop autoresponder, you can click the Options button Custom and set a date and time to stop, or you can choose the Never option. Now click the Create button. That's it! We have successfully created autoresponder for the entered email address. Now click the Go Back button. Here is the autoresponder that we created. You can edit or delete the autoresponder from this interface. To delete the autoresponder, click the Delete button. Click the Delete Autoresponder button to confirm the delete. Now you know how to create and delete an autoresponder. Thank you for watching.